Good morning, first graders. Today is Wednesday, December 2nd, 2020. You need to click on the pictures in Schoology and watch the videos. Remember to join art this afternoon at 2 o'clock. Let's make today a great day. Love, Miss Rieger. All right, remember our skills for learning. Can you show me how you focus, listen? You can be assertive and use your self-talk. Remind me how we calm down. We stop, name our feeling, and calm down. We can also use self-talk and counting. Empathy is feeling or understanding how someone else is feeling. See if you can show me. Tell me. Eyes watching. Good job. Show me. Tell me. Ears listening. Good job. Oh, get those wiggles out. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Body still. Good. And our last one. Tell me. Voice quiet. Good work. Our question of the day today is, what is your favorite thing to do in the winter? I think my favorite thing to do in the winter is maybe drink a hot coffee with some friends. What is your favorite thing to do in the winter? We're going to practice counting from 1 to 20. Put your finger on the number 1. Ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We're going to count to the number 34. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Are you counting with me? Let's count by 5s to 100. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Let's count by 10s to 120. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Let's count by 2s to 20. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Good job counting, friends. Oh, let's sing our Days of the Week song. Help me sing. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 What day of the week is it today? Very good. Today is Wednesday. Your turn. Today is Wednesday. Good job. Yesterday was Tuesday. Your turn. Yesterday was Tuesday. Good job. What day will it be tomorrow? Thursday. Great. My turn. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Your turn. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Excellent job. What's the date today? Today is December 2nd, 2020. Our season is winter. We're not in fall anymore. We are now in winter. All right, we are going to see the word, say the word, and spell the word to review our sight words this morning. Here we go. Bee, say the word. Bee, good job. Skywrite, B-E says bee. Clap it. B-E says bee. Can you use the word bee in a sentence? Good job. Here, say the word. Here, good job. Skywrite, H-E-R-E says here. Snap it, H-E-R-E says here. Can you use the word here in a sentence? Good job. Me, say the word. Me. Skywrite, M-E says me. Let's raise it. M-E says me. Can you use the word me in a sentence? Good job. Play, say the word. Skywrite, P-L-A-Y says play. Clap it, P-L-A-Y says play. Can you use the word play in a sentence? Good job. Started, say the word. Skywrite the word. S-T-A-R-T-E-D says started. Let's pad it. S-T-A-R-T-E-D says started. Can you use the word started in a sentence? Remember, because this word has ed at the end, it means it's something that happened yesterday or a few days ago or a couple weeks ago, something that happened in the past. Good job. Today, say the word. Today. Let's skywrite the word. T-O-D-A-Y says today. Let's clap it. T-O-D-A-Y says today. Can you use the word today in a sentence? Good job. Use, say the word. Use, good. Skywrite, U-S-E says use. Clap it. U-S-E says use. Can you use the word use in a sentence? Good job. Very, say the word. Skywrite the word. V-E-R-Y says very. Let's raise it. V-E-R-Y says very. Can you use the word very in a sentence? Good job. All right, it is time to say our sounds. Here we go. This red word says vowel. What does the blue word say? Consonant. And the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. And the consonants are all the other letters. Pl, B, Ah. bl, s, r, j. No English word ends in J. I, a, d, sh, w, gl, z. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, z is spelled ZZ. V. English words never end in the letter V. It's always followed by a silent E. K. Z. Qu. Q is always followed by a U. G. E. X. Ch. T. K. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, K is spelled CK. K. L. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, L is spelled LL. Y. P. Sm. L. Fl. Cl. S. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, S is spelled SS. Very good job, friends. Thanks for saying the sounds with me. We are going to do a little bit of blending time now. Here we go. Say the sounds and then read the word. Sack, sack. Lack, lack. Luck, luck. Less. Mess. Bess. Bess. Bell. Bill. Dill. Clag. Pab. Zab. Dab. Bab. Bap. Bap. Map. Cap. All right, great job blending, friends. This week we've been learning about CH. CH says ch, like in chair, chalk, check, and chick. Can you think of another word that starts with CH? Ch. Chip starts with CH. Chop starts with CH. What else starts with CH? Good thinking. All right, friends. We are going to read these two sentences at the bottom of this, and then you're going to get to watch the next video. Touch the number 5 with your finger. Here we go. Chick will not chat with duck. Finger on the number 6. Ox wants chick jam today. Good job. Good job reading, friends. Right now, I would actually like you to go ahead and get on Epic and read to your pets for 15 minutes. After that, click the next video and you'll get your directions for your next assignment. See you later.